Hello everyone, here comes the step 3. We use the modified preference lists to override the original ones. And we should use the same way of what we have learned in the step 1 to set its permission settings as same as other one in the same folder. We should find the original location of this resource folder, otherwise we couldn't load its permission settings. If we set these permission settings correctly for all of the concerned files, we won't need to run the disk utility app to fix the disk permission. Always remember, correct place setting, correct permission setting makes the newly installed GUI fonts display correctly. The next thing we are going to do is to remove something terrible from the system. We don't need to remove any of those well-designed Japanese and Korean fonts. But all of those Sinotype sans serif fonts should be removed permanently from the system. Although I'm not going to say disadvantages of them, but there is some reason to do this. There are some applications specifically use Sinotype sans serif as their GUI display fonts, and this could make defects for source sans as their display fonts. I have listed all of those Sinotype sans serif fonts that needs to be removed on the screen. There is another Japanese font you may want to remove. That font is Osaka. You could just remove it in case of any display defects for iTunes 12's Japanese GUI, unless you really need this font. Meanwhile, the finally shipped iTunes 12 may have solved this problem. Let's run some terminal commands to do something final. We are going to clean the font cache first, and then clean the trash can. The existing old font cache may cause some display defects. After that, we clean the trash can. We have to press the command key while we use the mouse right key to click the trash can icon. It takes some time to let the system remove them completely. But we should reboot immediately as soon as those files got removed. We better use terminal to reboot, especially if you are using Japanese, Korean, Simplified Chinese, or Traditional Chinese as your default system display language. You must use terminal to reboot immediately. This is the last step, and then we have finished everything. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I wish you could have fun with the well-designed source sounds in your rest life.